Hello friends, today we are at China's biggest factory for making honeycomb boards. Here there are 3 lines for making automatic honeycomb board of different varieties and different thickness. The brand called Meishing, which is a famous brand for making honeycomb machinery, is running very well in a factory in China. So here you can find different varieties of board, honeycomb, thickness, used for AC, TV, fridge, automobile and different industries. Firstly, the paper is converted into a honeycomb board. Then it takes this shape of the honey. After this, it is being taken to the other board plant, in which it is converted to a board of multiple thickness, whatever your client is looking for. And then you can make it boxes of different sizes. This board is in huge demand in automobile industry, pharmaceutical, electronics, automobiles, and it's been exported to UAE, Africa, America, Europe countries. And now this is having a huge demand in our Indian market also. So hence we welcome all the friends, guests to visit our page, send us an inquiry for your requirement for machinery or honeycomb. We can help you with all the things. This company is having 2 5-ply lines, 1 single piston line for giving complete packaging solution to their buyers. You can have a look at the factory, their setup, the way technology is changing, transportation is changing, no labor in the factory. With complete automation, machines are able and capable of running easily. Chinese factory which is using 3 lines of Xizhang technology, having complete certifications for export, for domestic market, with environment friendly boxes, green environment. Hello friends, hope you like this industry, hope you like the ways honeycomb board is made. If you have any further queries, feel free to contact us. I am Rishi Nagpal, owner Natraj Corrugating Machinery Company. Let's have a look at the machinery, the ways people are working, the process in which all the paper combine together to form a honeycomb. Here you can find all the honeycomb pallets being made for different industries. These are all the sheet sizes readily available, whatever size and specification, weight, paper, any specification you people are looking for, feel free to connect with us. The boards will be provided with complete packaging, then freezing on the board, and can be shipped out within 2 working days of your order. The company provides with complete printing and packaging solution. You can get your branding done, your logo done, and get the complete boxes of honeycomb at your doorstep. आ रहे हैं।